Hello dear students, I am Prabhat Dubey, your biology teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. As we were studying the chapter first, fundamental unit of life, and now we are studying the different cell organelles. In the previous lecture, we discussed about endoplasmic reticulum, how endoplasmic reticulum functions inside the cell and what are the specific functions that are played by endoplasmic reticulum, how it provides the mechanical supports and how it maintains the exchange of materials inside the cell and outside the cell as well. Now we will study about Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. It is named on the basis of the scientist who discovered the functioning of Golgi complex. His name was Camillo Golgi. That's why the name Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus is given in the honor of that scientist. Now we have to know about this scientist. A brief introduction of this scientist is given in your book. The person who was having the side book of biology class 9th, on page number 29, here a picture of Camillo Golgi and the major contributions of this great scientist is given. He studied medicine in the University of Pavia. He graduated in medicine in 65, worked in the hospital of St. Matteo in Pavia. In 1872, he became the chief medical officer in hospital Abbiate Grasso. He worked on the nervous system in a little kitchen. Okay, he made the kitchen his laboratory and worked on nerve cells for many decades. And in 1898, he discovered the function of this Camillo Golgi complex, and for this Camillo Golgi was awarded Nobel Prize. So you can understand how important is the discovery of Golgi apparatus. Golgi complex is stacks of flattened disc-shaped bags of cisternae and associated discharge vesicles. The basic function of this structure, as you can see in this diagram, there are discharge vesicles. Some sacs are filled with the secretions of Golgi apparatus like enzymes, hormones, pigments and mucus. So the basic function of Golgi apparatus is to secrete all these necessary enzymes, hormones, pigments and mucus, and also to transport these materials inside the cell and outside the cell where there is need of enzymes, hormones, pigments and mucus. So for this transport, these enzymes, hormones and pigments are packed in some vesicles and they are transported to the place where it is needed. So you can understand the mechanism. This Golgi complex secretes all these things and also made sure to supply these materials at the place where it is needed. Golgi apparatus forms cell plate during the cell division. I think the concept of cell division is clear to all of you, and if it is mentioned in your syllabus, we will discuss this in detail. In normal concept, you can understand cell division is formation of another new cell from a parent cell. A single cell is divided into two and the multiple divisions are taking place. So from one cell, two cells are formed, from 2 to 4, 4 to 8. In this way, the numerous cells inside the human body that we witness are result of this cell division. If cell division don't take place, then our development, our growth will be compromised. You will never witness the increasing size, increasing morphological and structural functions will not be there. Cell division is very important phenomenon, and Golgi apparatus provides the, it is mentioned here, cell plate where the division takes place. So Golgi apparatus plays very important function inside the cell. Synthesis of cell wall and plasma membrane is also done by Golgi apparatus. Okay, so this is also an important phenomenon. Synthesis of peroxisomes and acrosome of sperm. As you know that sperms are the male gamete and the upper cap-like structure that is called acrosome is synthesized by the Golgi complex. We will move as per your textbook. Okay, so the person who are having the textbook can go to the page number 29. It is written that Golgi apparatus was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898 in the cytoplasm of nerve cells. So Camillo Golgi, as we all know, that was working on the functioning of nerve cells. Nerve cells are very important for human body. All the organs are regulated through our nervous system. If nervous system is not in proper operations, all the activities, all the movement of the body, all the regulation through our brain will be checked. Okay, because brain sends signal to our organs, then the movement is there. So nerve cells are very important, and Camillo Golgi worked on a very sensitive matter, and the discovery of this Golgi apparatus made a revolutionary change in the medical science. That's why the contribution of Camillo Golgi was awarded by different institutions, and at last he was awarded the most prestigious Nobel Prize for the discovery of this Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex. Even the facilities were very limited. He was working in a kitchen, and he used all the materials that were provided to him in the hospital and made such a renowned discovery. Okay, so you can assume the greatness of this renowned scientist. Now we will move ahead. Under an electron microscope, Golgi apparatus is visible. Golgi apparatus cannot be seen by naked eyes, as we have studied during the study of mitochondria and